Looking for a budget-friendly microwave that doesn't compromise on performance? In today's video, we'll be reviewing the best affordable countertop microwaves of 2024. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or reheating leftovers, these models will make your life easier without breaking the bank. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Magic Chef 1.1 Cubic Foot Countertop Microwave. This mid-sized microwave from Magic Chef excelled in all our food tests, and, as one reviewer put it, it's built like a tank. One standout feature is its multi-stage cooking, rare in budget models. This lets you set different power levels at various times, such as cooking at 40% for the first minute and then 50% for the next 90 seconds, all without needing to manually adjust during cooking. While its design is fairly typical, with a shiny exterior and retro-style control panel, it does the job well. It offers enough power and space for most tasks, though it might not be suited for cooking a whole chicken. With 10 power levels and essential presets, it's a solid, no-fuss option. Number 2. Gallon's ExpressWave. This microwave impressed in our performance tests. As a company that manufactures microwaves for many well-known appliance brands, Gallon's has plenty of experience in creating reliable products. For a basic microwave without multi-stage cooking, we were pleased with its performance. It passed all our food tests, and its numerical display is clear and easy to read. However, the lack of a traditional keypad on this model might be a bit confusing for some users, as its control panel is different from what you might be used to. Despite that, it remains a solid choice for straightforward microwave use. Number 3. GE 1.1 Cubic Foot Mid-Size Microwave. This mid-sized stainless steel GE microwave, with over 1,000 five-star reviews on Best Buy, is praised for its simplicity, even heating, and sleek design. The interior light stays on whenever the microwave is open or in use, and the control panel offers 12 useful functions, including a weight defrost option. Just enter the weight of your meat, and it will defrost without leaving frozen spots. In our tests, it performed well across all cooking tests. However, we found the buttons a bit confusing. Unlike most microwaves, you can't use the start button for the kitchen timer. Instead, you need to press the timer button to start or stop the countdown. Number 4. Toshiba EM131 A5C-BS. This microwave oven with a smart sensor was once our top pick based on reviews and specs, but after formal testing, we found it to be rather average. This mid-powered, aesthetically pleasing unit features sensor cooking, multi-stage cooking, and various presets. If you prefer a Toshiba, this model is the most affordable with a smart sensor, which adjusts the cook time based on the steam released by your food. We appreciated its one-touch controls, adjustable buzzer, fingerprint-resistant front panel, and door that opens with a handle instead of a stiff button. While it performed well in pork and popcorn tests, it struggled to heat tomato sauce properly. It's easy to use and quieter than other models, but ultimately, this is a very standard microwave. Number 5. Black & Decker EM925AB9. This digital microwave oven closely resembles the Magic Chef microwave, but offers a more modern exterior and additional features. This model includes a child lock, multi-stage cooking, and presets like a 30-second express cooking button. It performed well in every test, except for the tomato sauce test. It also boasts a large LED display, a removable turntable, and a convenient push-button door release, making it a user-friendly and feature-packed microwave. So, which is the best? After testing, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS microwave stands out with its combination of power, size, and features. It's the perfect blend of affordability and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.